and also to open up. So same thing that Joe did. Well, I'll usually bring them over this way, but you can do what Joe did too. And then I'll just use my body weight to come over. I'll get in here. Then we can do some nice neck work. We can get in and do some scapular work. And then if we switch hands, we can get in some nice rotational work. And I'm just stabilizing here and rotating through my forearm here. That feel good? So some other ideas to think about. Trunk rotation, again, use the other hand. You can get in here and do the upper part. You can get in and do some thoracic.
That's really her body weight doing that, right?
So I'm getting a little bit of traction here as I pull that scapula. And I'm in a stride position, so I'm not working my hands. I'm just shifting my weight back so I can do that.
Fabulous.
Nice.